Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the GIPHY for Gmail extension available through the Chrome Web Store. You can download it directly from the website listed here, which I will include a link to in the description for this video. Now normally if you came here you would see a button to install it. Since I've already installed it, the button set now says remove from Chrome. So let's get to work. I'm going to switch on over to Gmail. And here I am in my Gmail account, and I would like to create a new email. So I'm going to click Compose just like I would normally do. And this is my Compose button. So I can type any sort of email. I could email it to any sort of person. I'm just going to start typing. We'll come back to recipients and subject if it's an actual email you want to send. And maybe I would like to say, have you ever seen rain coming down on a sunny day? Interesting question, also a lyric to an interesting song. I'm going to click on this new button, which you've never seen before unless you've previously installed this, and this is going to bring up GIPHY. It says search GIPHY, and I could search for rain. And I'm going to see all kinds of GIFs with rain. Maybe I'm going to go with singing in the rain. There he is, dancing along. Maybe I want to have another GIF for sunny day. I just want to hit all the highlights of this, so I can come over here and switch from rain to sun. And sure enough, there are some GIFs, lots and lots of GIFs related to the sun. So there we go. This allows you to liven up some emails, add a little pizzazz, add a little flair, add a little personality. Let people know you're a lover of classic movies or musicals, or just brighten somebody's day. Hopefully that entices you to check out this extension, and you'll see me in my next video.